Day 4 of this crazy little sucker attacking his own reflection. He sits there all day attacking his reflection. He'll leave for a minute, come back and attack it again. I was gonna film it yesterday, my phone was dead. So I'll just keep you updated day to day. Every morning when I come out here, this crazy little sucker just attacks that window. Then he'll attack that window. Then he'll go back to attacking that window. Just repeatedly, over and over and over and over. What is wrong with this crazy bird? See, switch windows, attack that one now.